Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the fourth day of English class. I am sure that you are enjoying your English lessons. Yesterday we saw up to paragraph number 8. Today we are going to have the continuation of chapter 1, The Fun They Had. Let's open the textbook and take page number 8. Page number 8, paragraph number 9. Page number 8 and paragraph number 9. And let's continue. Are you ready? Are you with me? So then let's begin. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling. The dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went into the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. She was always on at the same time every day, except Saturday and Sunday. Come to the next page. Because her mother said, little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. The screen was lit up, and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the school yard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Students, now let's come back to paragraph number 9. Let me explain you. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Students, now, yesterday we had continued and I was telling you we will see the continuation. I had given you the questions and answers to write, and surely you are doing the homework every day. Now, my question to you is, suppose you are asked in the exam, which word in the passage means do not show more interest. Now, already we have seen in our 1-2 classes that you are given the meanings just next over here. And the meaning is clear, either not showing much interest or enthusiasm, or carelessly, which means nonchalantly. Now, students, I ask you the question, which word in the passage means do not show more interest? And therefore, what would be your answer? Nonchalantly. Okay? Now, let's see the next paragraph. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Because, come to the next page, because her mother said, little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. I want to ask you the question, student. Now, who was waiting for Margie? Students, who was waiting for Margie? Her mechanical teacher. Here it is given to you. Her mechanical teacher was waiting for her. Now, why do you think so that he was waiting for her? To begin the class. And every day he waited at the same time. For example, when you are in the school, maybe your first period is English. And she could be your class teacher. She will every day take the first period, and you know that this is your English period. And so similarly, Margie also had the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, a particular lesson. Now, again, where did Margie study, students? Did she go to the school? No. Where did Margie study? Margie studied into her schoolroom. Schoolroom was, where was it? It was right next to her bedroom. It was right next to her bedroom. Margie did not go to the school like you did it till your 8th standard. Now, these days you are having online lessons, but soon we will begin a regular school. Now, on the next page, have a look there. Now, there. What was mother's belief about learning? What did mother say that the learning, how it should be? And the answer is that over here. The mother believed that little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Then, you have that. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Now, students, my question to you is, I had given you the meaning of the slot on the first day. Okay? And you know what is the meaning of a slot? A proper space that was given for the putting every day's homework or the class test. Now, which lesson was on, student? Which lesson was going on, or which lesson was Margie going to be taught that day? Margie was going to be taught arithmetic lesson. That is the maths lesson. And what were they supposed to learn on that day? What was she going to learn on that day? About the fractions. Now, you are English medium students and you know the meaning of fraction. What is that meaning of fraction, students? A numerical quantity that is not a whole number, 1/2 or 0.5. Come to the next paragraph. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the school yard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Students, now you know it very well. When your teacher comes and she teaches you in the class, maybe you are in the classroom 40 students, 50 students. At the same time, you learn together the same topic. You have any doubt, you ask the teacher. Homework, you go. Next day, you submit it to the teacher. you discuss about your homework with your friends. So she is thinking about whose school? Her grandfather's grandfather. And when was it? When he was a little boy. Students, remember, I am repeating it again. We are studying about this in the textbook when it is a future school in May 2157. And so therefore they are talking about online classes. Come down, students. Let's go ahead. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1/2 and 1/4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now, students, my question to you is that, was Margie happy about her school? Online teacher waiting for her on the screen. Was she happy about it? No, not at all. She was bored about this teacher. Next question to you is that, did Margie have any classmates like you have? No, she was sitting alone in the room. And which was a classroom? Which was a schoolroom? We saw it before in this page over here. Which was her classroom, students? Classroom was right next to her bedroom. So she did not have a special building like we have these days. I want to ask you one more question. Students, in the paragraph number 10, which word means moan? The word sigh over here. Underline that word sigh. The word sigh means moan, moaning. And students, one more question I want to ask you. Were the students enjoying at that time when the grandfather was a little boy? Yes, they were enjoying. And how do you know that they were enjoying? It's given over there. All the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the school ad, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. Student, these lines show that they enjoyed their class very much. Now, I want to tell you something. Students, I have been giving you from last 3 days the homework. Every day I am giving you 6 or 7 questions to write. And I am sure you are writing it. Today also I am going to give you some questions. With this, we have finished this chapter. Tomorrow when we come to the school, we are going to learn the new lesson. It could be a poetry. But before we could go to the poem, I am going to explain you how to write the question answers. Now, before going to the questions, I want you to tell you once again, write the date and start writing your homework, because I am also keeping the record. Once you come to school, I am going to see your homework day and the date wise. So please do write the date every day. Students, there are 7 questions. Write them in your notebook. I also will be sending you the photo of these questions.